No breeze.
No breeze. Crank up the air. We're on to the next one. I really hope you all like this video and hit that thumbs up button for me. Also, you're going to want to subscribe and stick around and see where this goes. All right, we make it to number 4. Four amp battery. Alright, I gotta get this 2 amp on the charger right away. Alright, she's gonna mow and I'm gonna run the weed. Like always. Here we go. Alright, Ben was at this job yesterday. He did all the mulch. These beds look great. Perfect job. I think this was a 5-yard job, I believe. We'll get the grass looking a little more tidy, and when the customer comes down, I think he'll like it. We'll hit the big areas with a lawnmower, and I'll hit the small to medium areas with the weed eater. We just knock these out quick. We have fun doing it. We're right down on the beach. So it looks like she's gonna get the blower out, blow it off while I finish weed eating. So works out good. We're getting our timing down, and that's important. 18 minutes. And that's with running the camera. So pretty good. Number 5 and 6 is another double. We love doubles, knock them out. We're gonna hit these two, then take a break, grab some lunch. I'll be coming up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody know I'm on it. You know when it click through to the system is about to be a so big fun. You know what? This is the job that we need to get Ben on because I forgot it's ready for mulch. Drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody know I'm on it. You know when it click through to the system is about to be a
got those two done, 17 minutes each. And what's next?
Lunch.
Lunch, here we
Tacos.
go. Taco day.
Summer's come, wanna make the most of it. They leave the city and I'll head for the coast, and then they pile in and ride through the night. They smell the bay and start feeling alright.
I saw it like skimming across the water. The water's real calm. You can see anything.
Okay, we just had lunch and the pressure is on. We got an hour and 22 minutes before guests arrive at the B&B, and we have to have this mulch job done. So we're driving to Home Depot now. We got to load up the 12 bags and get them to the job quick. That's 8. There you go. Okay, we just got a little 12 bag.
You're going very fast.
Watch the truck.
Okay.
Got the Corvette set up on the future in the back.
It's reality television.
We have to mow this one too.
Today?
Well, that was sure a busy day. I just dropped off Shara. We got all the mowing jobs done that we had to do, and we got the mulch job at the bed and breakfast done also. Got it done, and we were out the door at 2:56. Check-ins at 3 o'clock. Right in the nick of time. On to the next one.